To fix camera not working on a Windows 11 computer, in first step, click on Start menu, click on Settings, scroll down. In left pane, you will find an option Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security, scroll down. Here you will find App Permissions Camera. Click on the drop down menu here. You have to make sure that camera access is turned on. The apps need to use camera. Here it should be turned on. This is the first way. Now close settings. The second step, again click on Start menu, click on Settings. Here you will find Apps. Click on Apps. Then click on the first option, Installed Apps. Here you will find Camera. Click on three dot menu here. Now click on Advanced option. Now scroll down. You have to make sure under App Permissions camera is turned on, and then scroll down. Here you will find Repair. Click on Repair to repair the camera. Hope after repair your problem will be solved. If your camera is still not working, then you can reset the camera. Please note, if you reset camera, app data will be deleted. Click on Reset, and now again click on Reset. The camera is resetting right now. Reset has been finished. Hope this will solve your issue. Close settings. If your camera is not still working, right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, you will find here Camera. Just expand it. This one is your camera brand name. Just right click on Camera, click on Uninstall Device, click on Uninstall. To finish removing this device, you must restart your computer. Just click on Yes. Computer is restarting now. After restarting the computer, again right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. Camera driver is installed again. Hope your problem has been solved. Close Device Manager. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.